This 2025 Fleet Leads Integration Guide outlines 6 key use cases: the FleetWiki knowledge base, landing page, content marketing, fleet leads distribution, and marketing support. The guide provides a structured approach for integrating each use case into your marketing strategy, detailing its goals, implementation procedures, key benefits, expected outcomes, and associated costs. Use case: FleetWiki knowledge base. Goal: FleetWiki generates organic leads by giving fleet administrators a centralized platform to research, evaluate, and compare supplier technologies. Process: when you subscribe to FleetWiki, you create and maintain an active listing, ensuring continuous visibility to fleet administrators searching for the latest fleet vehicle technologies. Key benefit: your brand gains increased exposure among fleet decision-makers, helping you establish credibility through a trusted, research-driven knowledge base. Outcome: fleet administrators engage with your content, explore your technologies, and use the Contact Us feature to submit RFX inquiries, bringing new business opportunities directly to you. Cost: your FleetWiki listing is included as part of your Fleet Lead subscription. To subscribe, start by entering fleetwiki.net/supplier register in your browser's URL bar and completing the registration form. Once your account is created, click your profile icon, navigate to Company Plan, view your technology, and scroll down to subscribe. When you visit the research topic for your technology, for example, EV charging stations, you will see your company profile unlocked at the top of the supplier directory. Note that profiles remain locked for suppliers who have not yet subscribed. Use case: landing page. Goal: your landing page drives sales by giving fleet administrators direct access to your products and services through a comprehensive digital platform. Process: hyperlinks, QR codes, and social media icons in your digital and print communications direct fleet administrators to your landing page, making it easier for them to learn about your solutions and engage with your business. Key benefit: your landing page remains visible to fleet operators actively visiting the FleetWiki knowledge base. It also provides fleets with up-to-date information on regulations and incentives in the regions where they operate. Outcome: your landing page showcases the features and benefits of your technologies while streamlining the sales process. Fleet administrators can quickly connect with your sales team or channel partners for more details. Cost: your FleetWiki landing page is included as part of your Fleet Lead subscription. To add the FleetWiki social media icon to your customer portal, click your profile icon, then navigate to My Company, My Technology, Edit, and scroll to the bottom of the page. There, you will find code that your webmaster can add to your website. To add a hyperlink to your digital communications, click the 9-dot menu and select Share. You can also use this link to generate a QR code for your print materials. When fleet professionals register using these links, they enter the FleetWiki knowledge base through your landing page. Use case: content marketing. Goal: content marketing enhances brand visibility by distributing company announcements, industry news, and event updates that engage fleet decision-makers. Process: you can share key announcements, upcoming events, and industry news through your landing page and in FleetWiki News, featured within Fleet Management Weekly. Key benefit: your content increases brand awareness and attracts attention to your company, positioning you as a thought leader while encouraging fleet operators to engage with your message. Outcome: fleet operators seeking more information about your products, services, or technology solutions can easily connect with you, helping generate valuable inquiries. Cost: landing page posts are included with your Fleet Lead subscription, while placements in Fleet Management Weekly are available for $1,395 per listing. To add marketing content to your landing page, click your profile icon and navigate to My Company, My Technology, and Edit. scroll to the company description section and enter the title and description of your promotion, including a hyperlink to the source material. Then, save your changes. Fleet professionals will see your promotional messages, such as announcements, events, and news, featured at the top of your profile. You can further expand your reach to an additional 22,000 fleet professionals by posting your promotion with Fleet Management Weekly. These content placements are also featured in top stories on the FleetWiki homepage, maximizing visibility across both platforms. Use case: Fleet Leads. Goal: Fleet Leads acquires new customers by providing high-quality fleet prospect data to enhance your marketing and sales outreach. Process: You can identify and download targeted fleet prospects, then integrate verified contact records into your marketing campaigns to improve engagement and response rates. Key benefit: You gain access to a verified database of 713,000 fleets operating 2 or more vehicles, allowing you to expand your CRM, direct marketing, and promotional initiatives. Outcome: With a larger volume of qualified prospects, you can increase response rates and improve customer conversions through highly targeted marketing campaigns. Cost: A Fleet Lead subscription costs $760 per month, providing a total of 20,000 download credits. To download Fleet Leads records, click your profile icon, then select Fleet Leads. Next, watch the Fleet Leads overview video, which will guide you through the steps of downloading a sample file. When you subscribed, you received 20,000 initial download credits. If you need more, simply click the My Plan button and purchase additional credits. If you're purchasing records for enterprise applications such as Salesforce.com, message us, and we'll prepare and post the file on our download portal for you. Our enterprise customers frequently acquire hundreds of thousands of fleet records, enabling precise audience targeting, personalized engagement, and data-driven automation. Regardless of whether you are a large or small supplier, enterprise solutions are essential for efficiently identifying, reaching, and nurturing high-value prospects. Use case: Fleet Leads distribution. Goal: Fleet Leads distribution strengthens engagement with sales representatives and channel partners by providing direct access to high-quality fleet prospect data. Process: You can distribute Fleet Leads download credits to your sales teams and partners using the Fleet Leads transfer portal, enabling them to execute targeted outreach efforts with verified fleet contacts. Key benefit: This expands your marketing reach while supporting localized, data-driven campaigns tailored to specific regional market needs and opportunities. Outcome: By enabling locally targeted marketing initiatives, you improve brand awareness, strengthen market presence, and drive higher customer acquisition rates. Cost: Fleet Leads. Distribution is included with your Fleet Leads subscription, ensuring seamless access to fleet prospect data for your sales teams and partners. To transfer Fleet Leads records to your sales reps and channel partners, click your profile icon, then select Fleet Leads. Again, the Fleet Leads overview video will guide you step by step through the process. A key feature of the Fleet Leads Criteria Center is the ability to select records based on a radius around a zip code. For example, if you are opening a new store in zip code 19,129, you can define a radius around that location and download Fleet Leads records for your grand opening promotions. Use case: Marketing support. Goal: Marketing support acquires new customers more efficiently by leveraging strategies tailored specifically for fleet industry decision-makers. Process: You can enhance your marketing efforts by utilizing Fleet Management Weekly, brand acceleration, integrating newly available Fleet Leads tools to enhance engagement and outreach. Key benefit: You develop a cohesive marketing strategy that seamlessly incorporates Fleet Leads tools into your existing initiatives, creating a more effective and targeted approach. Outcome: By optimizing your marketing efforts, you can reduce overall costs while increasing the effectiveness and reach of your fleet-focused campaigns. Cost: For pricing details, Contact Fleet Management Weekly, Brand Acceleration. Integrating the new Fleet Leads tools into your existing marketing framework begins with a free 1-week trial. To get started, register and subscribe. Each technology requires a designated subscriber to serve as the liaison and coordinate implementation. The first step for the liaison is to review the profile for their technology and download a sample Fleet Leads file. Your subscription activates after 1 week, at which point 20,000 Fleet Leads download credits will be added to your account. Use this period to test different use cases and familiarize yourself with the Fleet Leads marketing tools. Then develop a strategy for integrating these tools into your marketing framework. Fleet Leads is designed to be user-friendly, but if you need assistance, our support team and Fleet Management Weekly, Brand Acceleration are here to help. To contact the Fleet Leads support team, click your profile icon and select Contact Us. To reach Fleet Management Weekly, Brand Acceleration, use the provided link. Submit your inquiry through these forms, and we will respond via email as soon as possible. We are committed to ensuring you have the best experience with Fleet Leads and our marketing support programs.